Greetings. This is Camille on the Coast, and this is Sunday, the 4th of September, 2022. This is our first Sunday in September, and where are we? We have the moon is waxing. The moon is waxing, and Labor Day is tomorrow in the United States. And there's just this energy of things coming together as everyone officially gets back into school and gears up toward the autumnal equinox. And can you believe it? I already see Christmas decorations in at least one store. Not thinking about that, not ready for that, but it's out there. Christmas will be here before you know it, and with that, the end of the year and getting ready for 2023. But until then, what's going on for right now? And as usual in these situations, it's very rare that I commit to memory what day is next Saturday. So this is a collective reading from today, September 4th, Sunday, through Saturday, September the 10th, which coincidentally is the birthday of a beloved departed friend. Let me knock out the energy of my cards and let's focus. What is the message from the Divine Feminine for the collective from Sunday, September 4th through Saturday, September the 10th? All right. Okay. This week, the energies on this week, very much inventive and innovative, okay? This is a time to be observant, keeping your eyes open, and almost like a security guard. Just keep your eyes open. Be on guard this week. Be poised, be ready with your weapon raised. And your weapon doesn't have to be a literal sword, because what's coming through is the Page of Swords. Your weapon could very well be your pen. It could also be your speaking voice. This is the time to tap in and align yourself with your intellectual prowess and tap in and tune in and wait to go forward on a new journey. But a journey you will depart on by midweek, where you will find yourself tapping into your unlimited potential. And you will finally start to sing yourself a good and happy tune. And other people may not understand you on your journey, but that's okay. This is your journey for you, that you have gone forth and you have observed. You have finally figured out when is the right time to step out, to come forward, to start speaking, communicating, even start singing. That is a good way to use your voice, to open up your throat chakra and anything that pertains to the breath. So when we're thinking about breath, we're thinking about the heart, the lungs, the heart chakra, all up through the throat chakra. This is a good time this week to focus on the heart chakra and the throat chakra. Bring those into balance. Make sure that you are healthy enough to go out and pump blood circulating. Get that heart pumping. breathing, moving, sweating, singing, speaking. Speak your affirmations. Put things out there. Write things down. And finally, clear the air. You know, you have been blessed with this ability to rationalize and reason and to observe, and you are a critical thinker. If you see something that is not in alignment with you and your vibration, find a way to clear out that energetic stuff. You could light some incense. You could safely burn a candle. You could have a really good row with your associates. If you could do something that connects with your playful side, that's when you remember seeing that little clip at the very beginning, at the intro to The Jeffersons, moving on up, where the Jeffersons and the Willises are best friends, right? And they go to therapy for some reason, because that's always a good sitcom device. And they start whacking each other with pillows, a pillow fight. And they are safely releasing their frustrations and fears and anxieties and insecurities with each other through pillows. So you're going to find a way to play fight, okay? Where you are not hurting yourself, you are not hurting other people, but you're just clearing the air and getting some energy out there, okay? And there is a good focus on breath work, breath and body work. Play a flute, even if it's just those, whirligigs. And we had that word in a play that we were just in, Cinderella and the Quest for the Crystal Pump, blowing through the. So there might be a call for some of us to attend some sort of consciousness raising, high vibrational event, maybe a birthday party, or maybe just go to the dollar store and get some noisemakers. There you go. Go to the dollar store and get you some noisemakers from the party section, and just go around your house, woo, 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 as you burn your incense, as you listen to your relaxing sounds of the rain, as you cut people off without cutting them short, but you're having good boundaries this week with people. And that's what is needed. And like I told someone recently, my daughter coming forward with these blue shoes of hers. If you can, don't spend any money if you don't want to or can't. But if you already have a blue tops or blue shoes in your arsenal of your wardrobe, put them on. It's a good time to connect with this blue. That keeps coming up. Wear blue, particularly at the bottom. And wear blue, blue and white, ethereal. Ooh, girlfriend. Okay. And this has been the message from the Divine Feminine for the collective on this Saturday, the 4th of September Sunday, the 4th of September through Saturday, the 10th of September. Be a critical thinker. Get a noisemaker. Be a happy tune. Clear up your energy. Raise your vibration. Raise the stakes. Play fight. Pull your head out of your you-know-what. Go fight, win. Okay. I'm on one today. Okay. Camille on the coast. Bye.